So we will start with Brussels now. In the previous part, you saw the earlier IPs. You saw those. So now we will start from Brussels. So let's get started. We have already placed the Brussels IP here. We will open it now. After it opens, we are going to hooer.net first. And for the speed, we are opening the speed test as well. So we want to see now if we have actually reached our desired destination. We can see here that we have received an IP from Amsterdam, Netherlands. However, it was written as Brussels there. So this is getting a bit mixed up. I've been noticing this from the beginning. Still, I will say that they might all be there, but the names are not correct. They have been exchanged. You will understand just by looking. So we will now run a speed test from here to see what the speed looks like. On the right side here, the speed is displayed on my LAN. So even if you compare that with this, you will be able to understand the actual speed. We can see here that the speed is reaching 22, 24, 25, 27, something like that. You can see how much speed is being generated here. Now it is showing the download speed. You can see the download speed. The speed seems quite good to me. So let's move on and check the next IP. The next IP after Brussels is Bucharest RO. In that case, we are changing the IP. We are saving it and clicking Open. From here, we will now check via hooer.net to see what condition the IP is in, and we will also see if the IP has the correct country selection. So here we can see that this has gone to Frankfurt, Germany again. So some IPs are going to Frankfurt, Germany most of the time, and the condition of some IPs is actually not very satisfactory. Here we can see that this one has roughly good quality. It is at a very nice quality, 100%. And if we look at the speed, at first the page loading failed. Often at the very beginning when connecting an IP, this type of problem appears, but after using it for a while, that IP settles down again. Now you can see that we are witnessing a very beautiful download speed. The download speed of this IP is very nice. I initially thought this IP would not be very good, but later I can see that the download speed on this IP is coming in very beautifully. You can see that there was a very beautiful download speed. Now you can see the upload speed. I can see the upload speed is also very nice. Although the country we selected for this did not match, it went to a different country, even then I would say the speed is actually very beautiful. Next, we will look at the country following this one. How it is there? Alright, so the next IP is, we are scrolling down a bit further. The next IP is Budapest. Okay, so we are taking the Budapest IP and we will replace the IP there. We selected all from here, pasted it, and saved it. It is saving and I am opening it from here. Okay, our browser has opened and we are entering our desired website addresses there, and then we will see what kind of speed we are getting on our IP. So here too, we can see that it has gone to a German IP. I have noticed with this particular IP many times that when any IP fails, it is redirecting through this specific IP. So there isn't anything new to show here. The speed of this IP is relatively very good, but I have received the same IP quite a few times, as you might recall. So this IP is very good. So I'm closing this because there's nothing new to see here. Okay? Next, we will look at the IP that follows. Oh, the next IP is here. It lists Buenos Aires. Okay, Buenos Aires. Okay, so I selected all for this, and then I am pasting and saving. In some cases, I have observed that they redirect to a default IP if the SOCKS proxy doesn't work, in which case it is redirecting to a default IP. Okay. So first I am going to the Speedtest IPs page, and next I am going to hooer.net. Okay, so we will see what the quality is like on Hooer. Also, let me mention that in our next video, we will try to show you the results of these IPs from the apps. It seems like it is taking some time for the IP to set here, so let's keep the speed test running here. Next, we are checking Hooer here. The country hasn't appeared yet. So yes, it has gone to Mexico City. This is a Mexican IP. It is probable that the country we selected, which is likely Argentina, AR, but we can see it is getting a Mexican IP. Even so, I would say that if you have to choose, meaning you have to search and select carefully to see which IP belongs to which country, because here I did not find or am not finding the IP in the country that is listed. However, the speed is actually very beautiful, and regarding the IP quality, we can see it is a very high quality IP, and the speed being found on the IP is very beautiful. So you can see here that our download speed was indeed a very good download speed on this IP, and relatively speaking, we are getting a very good upload speed as well. So it is quite clear that we will get a download speed of around 50-60 here. Okay, I am closing it. ORD, so we select all, paste, so ORD, it is on ORD, I saved it. I will open it. We will check the IP first. That is why I am taking the hooer.net address. And then since we will do a speed test, I took the Speedtest's website address. So now we will see how the speed test for this IP turns out. So we can see an IP block of 45 IP block. And this is Washington, D.C. So we are getting a Chicago, USA American IP, but it is not Chicago, it is connected from Washington, D.C. So I am refreshing once again from here. Our IP was not working fully, which is why the pages are breaking up. So I am refreshing again, and then I clicked Go to see what the IP speed is like. So it is peering with an ISP named Pilot Fiber. So we can see here that the IP quality is relatively very good, and the test has not started yet. You can see the IP's download speed here. So it seems to me that the download speed is good enough. So let's look ahead a bit to see how the upload speed shows. Here we have still received quite a good download speed. And we can see the upload speed here. That is also a very good upload speed. We are getting quite a good upload speed. We saw a very good upload speed. Okay. So we will go to the next IP. The one after Chicago is Copenhagen, Denmark, probably, or DK. Okay, CPH-DK. So we are copying this IP now. And in this case, what we will do is we deleted all the cookies, or data, and I am selecting all here again, pasting, saving, and opening. Saving, and opening. So now we are copying hooer.net again, paste here. It has appeared on this side. Okay, go. Then speed test on this side. Okay, speed test. Yes. So now we will see what the quality of the IP is first. So initially we can see that it has gone to Amsterdam, Netherlands, but we were supposed to go somewhere else. Okay? Then we can see the IP quality is good enough, although my viewers can tell if we have received this IP before or not. So let's go. We will test the upload and download of this now. Although it seems to me that we have tested with this IP before, or this IP has appeared before us earlier, because as I said, some IPs in the case of SOCKS are appearing 2 or 3 times. So this might happen in your case too. So in that case, you should pick and choose carefully. If you don't find the IP of your desired country here, in that case, you should use apps. Maybe the issue could be solved in the apps. Okay? So for those who use multi-accounts, it will be a bit of a hassle. But for those who use apps, maybe this isn't a problem. Okay, now we can see our download speed is good enough. Our download speed can be called super here, and we will now look at the upload speed. So let's see how our upload speed is. Our upload speed, we can see this is also very beautiful. Upload speed is super, very beautiful upload speed. So on our right side, on our LAN, we can also verify it there, because if the measurement here is ever wrong, our LAN speed measurement shouldn't be wrong. So we are closing it. The next country is Dallas, USA. Okay, we will check the Dallas, USA IP, and in today's video, in this part, the second part, we will only look at this IP. Subsequently, to see the next IPs, you have to watch our third part. So you should keep our channel subscribed.
If you need this kind of video, VPN-related video, then we will publish regular VPN-type videos or various types of videos about VPNs on our channel. So you must keep our channel subscribed. From now on, we will give regular updates on IP and VPN-related videos. So now we can see here that this is Mexico. We were looking for Mexico before as well. That Mexico has appeared here again. So maybe this IP has appeared before too. So let's see what speed we get from this IP as well. Here we have, however, seen it before from the same ISP, base IP, but here peering is happening with another operator. So let's see. This ISP, this IP is also giving a very beautiful result. There is no blacklist anywhere on this IP either, and the IP fingerprint is also very good. So we will speed test this to see how its speed is. Its speed, the IP, is very nice, but it seems to me that it is struggling quite a bit to pick up speed. Or maybe because we just set it up, or set it up right now, we are getting such a speed. That could be it. So we got a very low download speed. We will see a bit how much the upload speed comes to. So upload speed is good enough. It seems to me that there was a problem somewhere, for which reason we will do one thing: we will check from fast.com. We have now gone to fast.com because often the result from one SP isn't correct. In that case, we will justify the result from another server again, so that there is no doubt in our minds. So we can see on fast.com as well that the speed hasn't updated dramatically. It is at the same kind of speed it was. It updated just a little bit. Now it is being found, I saw up to 72 Mbps. So in today's video, we have shown you quite a few SOCKS. There will be a few more consecutive episodes of the PrivadoVPN review you are watching. So today's video ends here. If you have any questions, must let us know in the comments. We will try to answer to the best of our ability. Thank you.